Happy HR.
Happy HR. In HRMDO, we always begin and end each day and each conversation with this office greeting that reflects our guiding anchors of leadership in people management, which is to strive to bring about genuine and true happiness in the service of the city government employees. We take pride in claiming that General Santos City, the tuna capital of the Philippines and the green city of the South, is a desirable place to live and work in. This speaks volumes about how well our city government delivers services to all the generals, making the city competitive in terms of economic dynamism, government efficiency, infrastructure, and resiliency. Among the many departments and offices in the city government, HRMDO is directly responsible for the recruitment and placement, learning and development, performance management, and rewards and recognition of all employees. With the ultimate aim for governance with integrity, inclusiveness, and participation, HRMDO made the cut to pursue smarter development and innovations in people management, integrating technology in the core of our functions, processes, systems, and management of the city's human resources, especially in the midst of the present global health crisis. Technologies employed at work have started a revolutionary breakthrough in the performance of functions and duties of the office, as it holds itself responsible in ensuring that the employees continue to render services, all for the unhampered duties of the city government to its people, even in the midst of the current pandemic. In about more than a decade ago, we have already embarked on system development, digitalization, and automation of HR information, records, and processes. We started archiving all records in our database, instituting innovations towards systematic, paperless, digitalized, automated, and remote administration of HR documents and processes. These have made us become more prepared in responding to managing people, information, and process, facing the challenges brought about by the drastic change at work in the new normal. These are all inscribed in instituting our Happy HR app. Happy HR app is an integrated, accessible, and innovative web-based application that features technology as an integrated platform of leave application, work administration, performance management, employee information, employee engagement, learning and development, and other HR processes. At the back of all of these, the application provides us a large amount of data that can be utilized to generate understanding of demographical, personal, professional, and organizational information of our employees. We then use the graphs, tables, and figures to plan out and implement the programs, projects, and activities as interventions to the apparent work problems and challenges. This practice has paved way to various milestones in employing technology and data science in the workplace. Along with other HR innovations that complement each other, the employment of people analytics in designing and implementing programs, projects, and activities has paved way to the following recognitions: CSC Prime HRM Level 2 accreditation in 2018, 2019 PMAP Employer of the Year, 2019 PMAP People Manager of the Year, 2020 DAP Government Best Practice Recognition for High PERA, High Personal Effectiveness Through Resource Allocation, 2020 HR Excellence Award, highly commended for Best HR Strategy Overseas, 2021 Gold Stevie Award for Innovation in Human Resource Management, Planning and Practice in Government for a Happy HR. Allow us to share what we have been doing in our unstinting drive for Happy HR initiatives as we devise people analytics as essential component of sound practices in people management as our innovative COVID response program. Guided by the three anchors of HR leadership, people first, positivity, and productivity, the Happy HR app was introduced and implemented by LGU Gensan. It aims to sustain the delivery of government services by implementing the People First initiative, wherein the welfare and development of employees are considered a priority. It seeks to systematically gather and distribute information about the individual physical and mental health status of the employees for use in implementing interventions as inscribed in the second anchor of positivity. It also aims to formulate intervention to ensure that productivity of employees is developed and sustained through systematic work monitoring, output submission, feedback system, and prompt interventions. HRMDO has incorporated the following innovative features that are implemented in the organizational and departmental level: Leave application or information. The platform for remote filing of leave application, including convenient access to leave information such as approved or pending applications, leave balance, rules on leave, among others. COVID-19 Track Care, a daily record of contact tracing system filled out by individual employees. Work from home, a domain for the checking and monitoring of attendance and location, submission of output, and other official remote and collaborative interactions to accomplish the tasks assigned to a team or to a specific employee. FlexiPlace, an online platform for filing of requests for FlexiPlace to minimize the risks of contacting the virus, with the employee taking all measures such as the initiative to be allowed to work from home to attend to tasks that can be remotely administered. Text message notification system. All important advisories and notice, including leave applications approval or disapproval, are sent through text messages as reminders for the applying personnel and to the approving superiors. Employee engagement. The Happy HR app also collects daily information on the mental health of the HR employees. In the context of departmental interventions, the data collected through the mental health check, gratitude survey, individual crisis preparedness survey through Google Form, and back to work pulse through Qualtrics are used as reference in proposing programs, projects, and activities concerning the welfare and development of the employees. The application has helped us generate a dependable information system of our employees. These data are made accessible and can be systematically reviewed or analyzed with precision and efficiency to come up with definite understanding of our employees and the struggles and challenges they encounter in our way to formulate and implement prompt interventions. Building resilience and agility in the organization is a strategic move to survive the current challenges at work and prepare every employee for all future challenges and adversities. Promoting this requires a holistic approach that involves implementing initiatives to address all personal, professional, and organizational needs of every employee. Each of the divisions in HRMDO has been contributing to this aim to build resilience and agility of our employees even in the midst of the pandemic. The Welfare Compensation and Discipline Division is in charge of implementing psychosocial interventions to help our employees cope with all stresses and pressures of the pandemic. The Learning and Development and Performance Management Division has continued its efforts to constantly implement the learning and development plans by sustaining and transitioning trainings from face-to-face to online. The Appointment and Selection Division also implements a comprehensive onboarding program for our new entrants, an inclusive hiring process for applicants, contextualizing its activities in the new normal. The Records and System Management Division has also amplified efforts to digitalize and automate HR processes and records, minimizing the risks of infection by regulating the face-to-face work setup and processes. The newly inaugurated division of HR Academy has been administering research and publications also as our knowledge management system and is embarking on offering certification courses for our employees. They administer all activities related to e-publications and e-learning for all employees. These are all integrated in our flagship project, the Happy HR app, making our employees and our organization more responsive, adaptable, efficient, and effective, devising data management, particularly people analytics, in a smarter way of getting through the challenges and adversities in our continued service to the city constituents. This is our Happy HR story.